Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert text on image in Word document. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert text on a image. Go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then choose rectangle shapes and draw it. Then go to the format menu and click shape fill option. Then choose picture. Then select from a file. Then insert a picture from our file. Click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture on a shape. Now we write anything in this picture. Write on your keyboard. Now we can see here we write anything on this picture. We change the font color. Go to the home menu and click font color option and change this font color. Then bold, italic, underline, etc. Now we can see here we insert text on our image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.